via STEAM. That means excellence of comprehensive education and learning through STEM. When we talk about STEM, we put AAA in the middle. So that is going to show you something about our idea about how to excel college education. STEAM excels from confusion to creativity. Usually, generally speaking, in America, we say STEM make students a little fearful because listening to and purely thinking is going to cause confusion minds. With STEAM, I mean integrating something in there, we say this is going to promote creative minds. Here is the secret. STEM, greater than STEM, married with arts. As Steve Jobs says, it is in Apple's DNA that technology alone is not enough. That it is technology married with liberal arts, married with the humanities, that yields us the result that makes our heart sing. So STEAM revealed interpretive skills with arts, advanced tool sets, and artificial intelligence. Let's hear a dream of the world from Professor Rainbow's conducting.
Hello, my name is Professor Alexis Rainbow, and from Lane College to the World, we want to present a wonderful piece to you today that speaks of a message of joy, peace, happiness, and love. But most of all, it speaks of unity and harmony. This piece was written by Sidney Sessoms, and today we present to you, I Dream of a World. Please enjoy.
I hope you feel the dream of a world feel into your heart. So now let's come back to STEAM, revealed by liberal arts. The first thing is about critical thinking. Liberal arts help grow or develop critical thinking on what is good, what is perfect, and what needs to improve. Secondly, it's about advanced technology to promote collaborative eclectics, which means the best of the best for the best. The last one is more about artificial intelligence that is going to assist us for creative problem solving. Now let's hear Anastasia singing that is going to inspire us about advancement of technology. I hope you will give your class to this beautiful singing. Now we come to artificial intelligence. Using WCE2023 to revolutionize excellence of education that's supposed to be comprehensive. Comprehensive leads to comprehension. Courseware advancement at a low cost. We say low cost equals no cost, but plus the little delta, that means a little bit. It's not for free, but a little cost, not much. Then digital transformation. We have a lot of things, very trivial, very repeated, regular, and also very much about exhaustiveness. But we can utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning to help that accumulate into our system to help encourage our learning and teaching. So here is one of the case I made by utilize artificial intelligence generate a virtual speech about STEAM.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. Hi, this is Dr. Sheldon Lian. It is my pleasure to have Professor Alexis Rainbow speak out at WCE 2023. A collaborative effort is to excel STEM education by integrating advanced tech and artificial intelligence. College students in America may be fearful of STEM because the concepts are hard to imaging and thinking. By integrating arts, advanced tech, and artificial intelligence into STEAM, our students become fond of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. It is STEAM that helps to visualize a concept, initiate a project, synthesize the foundation, and advance technology and engineering. It is known as Visa that takes you to the paradise of STEM.
So when we're talking about Excel, so that includes a lot of great work, let's say innovative activities via teamwork. And also Excel is going to help retaining students from fun to faster. And Excel is going to instruct students to learn how to appreciate musical work and art. And also, Excel is about computer science for all. This was initiated by former President Obama. So similarly in China, back then China's leader, Deng Xiaoping, he made the same statement. It goes, 电脑必须从娃娃抓起. And also, this is also some involvement or engagement with our students into the community to help there in the physical real world solution to problem to be resolved, like with a digital libraries or digital archiving. And also, Excel is about inspiring, enjoying, and engaging. So here we come to the conclusion. Excel is to be married with art. So here we're talking about the liberal arts that include a lot of things like history, musical, and painting, drawing, those kind of things. And the second part is about advanced tool set. We have the courseware integrate with all kinds of stuff, with arts to encourage creative thinking, and also with some other better solution than artificial intelligence to help us to deal with very trivial information but perfectly presented. So here I list out our website and also my contact information. If you feel needed, contact us and give it a try. Acknowledgement. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.